As a kid, I have had the pleasure of meeting Tommy Lasorda in the Boys and Girls Club event. He was a very nice guy, loved his charisma, and a great coach for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Now, when I grew up, I said I was going to own some memorabilia of Tommy Lasorda, and here I am. I do own a baseball signed by Tommy Lasorda. Check out my baseball from Tommy Lasorda, signed in case, very secure. I like that you could take it out. It has acrylic here. Make sure it's facing the right way. Turn it on. Look at that. Different styles, different colors. Changes the colors. Beautiful.